Overlanding to India, Episode 2, Leaving Familiar Ground. After a short visit to our parents, we leave home. Soon we cross the German border. The weather is changing from sun to rain to nice rainbows and back. We know our first heading. It is the city of Heidelberg, where our family originates from. The next morning we ride up to the beautiful castle which overlooks the city. In the early morning it's still nice and quiet over here. Later in the day there are crowds of tourists all around. We continue past the Klingelhüttenweg where our grandparents once lived towards Sinsheim. We pass by the Technical Museum of Sinsheim, where you can see in the background there the famous Concorde and also its Russian counterpart, which is called Concordski or Illusion. In the past I have visited this museum several times, so this time I will pass it. Still, for example, this old U-boat engine is huge. We travel further in eastern direction. Then we pass Chiemsee. Not much later, we pass the Austrian border. It's always a stunning view to see the Alps coming nearer and suddenly finding yourselves in between the huge mountains. It makes you feel small and humble. Through some very long tunnels, we reach our end of our second day, which is in Kachberg. We are now 900 kilometers away from home. On the third day, we cross over the Ljubljana Pass into Slovenia. Apparently, the actual border is in the middle of the tunnel. On the other side awaits us a spectacular mountain range. It's a real pleasure to drive here far away from the motorways. We decide to travel through Slovenia on the secondary roads. Through Soviet-style suburbs, we arrive in the capital of the country. The center is beautiful, however. Hi there. We're in Ljubljana right now, and we're going to the castle of Ljubljana. Walking over the triple bridge of Ljubljana. Just leave it at that. How the heck are we going to get up there? Downtown Ljubljana is very touristic. You see especially a lot of Chinese tourists today. Then we climb up towards the castle. And I'm tired. On the heavily restored walls, we are treated by a stunning view over the city. But what I also notice is that there is a funicular which could have brought us to the top more easily. We pass by the Grad Otoček, which lies beautifully on an island in the river Krk. I can't help myself and need to drive over the wooden bridge several times, although probably we will pass some more wooden bridges in the near future. Then we cross the border into Croatia. Through a rather boring landscape, we ride to our final destination of the day, Slavonski Brod. Tomorrow we will cross into Serbia. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.